everyone! Today I'm super excited to share this amazing kitchen must-have. The 25-liter flatbed microwave oven for reheating, defrosting, or preparing a full meal. This microwave oven has 25 liters flatbed design. So, perfect ito for larger meals or even yung mga odd containers like this. Diba? Para isahang init na lang tayo na usually hindi kasya sa ibang turntable microwave. At dahil flatbed design siya, wala nang umiikot na glass plate dahil ang ginagamit nila dito ay ang rotating antenna under ceramic surface. Kaya mas even ang heating at less hassle sa paglilinis. Meron din itong white LED display na hindi ka na mahihirapan dahil kitang-kita mo na siya agad. At kahit madilim ang kitchen nyo, mababasa nyo pa rin siya. So hindi na tayo mahihirapan na makita ang settings nito. For quick meals, the express cooking function allows you to instantly cook at 100% power with just a touch of a button. Meron din itong 11 power levels to choose from. So, mas more control, mas perfect ang luto mo every time. From soft defrosting to full reheating. May power saving feature din ito. You just need to press this for 3 seconds. Simple way to save electricity. And if meron kayong kids sa bahay, meron na din itong child lock function. So, para ma-prevent yung mga unwanted operation. I-hold nyo lang itong mute for 3 seconds. Ayan. It's already locked. Hindi na siya mapipindot. My personal favorite feature is the 6 auto-cook menus. Just press a button and it automatically sets the timer and power. Perfect for popcorn, pizza, frozen vegetables, reheat tea and coffee, dinner plate. If you're looking for a microwave oven that's spacious, smart, safe, and energy efficient, you can't go wrong with a Sharp 25-liter flatbed microwave oven.